Welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and in this video I'll be showing you how I make steamed fish quick and easy. Yeah. Firstly, you want to add some margarine to a frying pot that has been hot, and I'm going to add some julienne carrot, some bell pepper, and some onion. I have thyme here, and I have scallion, and I have scotch bonnet. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and saute these vegetables. You want to get them soft and nice, but not too soft. Let me put some coconut milk inside the pot, because I don't want, while putting the fish in the pot, they start to fry. I have went ahead and marinated my fish with all-purpose seasoning off camera, but now it's time for me to adjust my seasoning with some salt and some black pepper. So coconut milk will be the only liquid I'll be using to steam this fish. And as you can see, these are thin slices of fish, so it will take roughly 2 to 3 minutes on each side and the fish will be ready. And that is how I make easy steamed fish using a frying pot. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give the video a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in another video pretty soon. Goodbye.